Hi, I'm Nick, General Manager of Kryptonite. I'm going to talk to you today about the Keeper 785 chain. The Keeper 785 scores a 5 out of 10 on our 1 through 10 security rating, which means it's great for short stops in metropolitan areas or longer stops in areas with a little less theft. The beauty of a chain is that it combines the strength of a U-lock with the flexibility of a cable. The Keeper 785 comes with 2 stainless steel keys. Don't forget to register those online, so if you lose them, we can replace them. The end link of the chain actually fits into the head of the lock, creating a super secure system. This chain is 33 inches, 85 centimeters long, and is covered in a thick webbing that protects your bike. And don't forget, the beauty of the chain, nice and compact. Keeper 785, great, moderate, flexible security. There's also a shorter version,